Hello everyone. Welcome to Gyansthan Skill Tech. My name is Aman Baldia and I'm going to teach you public speaking. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I have more than 10 years of experience of teaching people public speaking, in which without exaggeration, I have worked with almost 150,000 people. This includes school students, college students, working professionals, top executives, and even housewives. And over the course of the last 10 years, I realized that majority of the people that I dealt with had the same problems, the same doubts, and the same preconceived notions related to public speaking as the others that I met. And that's the reason why I thought of creating this video series in order to address all of them and help everyone who's wanting to take their first steps towards improving communication skills make sure that they do the right things required. So in this video series, you can expect yourself to learn how to become a confident orator on stage. Doesn't matter whom you're talking to, whether it's your friends, your family, your peers, or people at large. So stay tuned for what else I have on board for you.